Describe software as service. Software as service is the most complete cloud service model from a product perspective. With SaaS, you are essentially renting or using fully developed application, email, financial software, messaging applications, and connectivity software are all common examples of SaaS implementation. While the SaaS model may be the least flexible, it's also the easiest to get up and running. It requires the least amount of technical knowledge or expertise to fully employ. So, for the shared responsibility model, it applies to all the cloud service types. So SaaS is the model that places the most responsibility with the cloud provider and the least responsibility with the user. In SaaS environment, you are responsible for the data that you put into the system, the devices that you allow to connect to system, and the users that have access. Nearly everything else falls to the cloud provider. The cloud provider is responsible for physical security of data centers, power, network connectivity, and application development and patching. So here, let's have a look here. So you can see the SaaS. For the customer, he is only responsible for the information and data, device and mobile PCs, accounts and identity, as you can see. And the identity and directory infrastructure, it is shared. Here you can see that the SaaS is shared. Okay. Other than that, it is the cloud or Microsoft Azure responsibility. So like the applications, network controls, operating system, physical host, network, and data center. So let's have some scenarios. Some common scenarios of SaaS are email and messaging, business productivity applications, finance and expense tracking. Thanks for watching.